Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. It's early spring and weeds are starting to come up. So I want to get to cultivating. And I thought I'd show you the Rebellion multi-head toolbar. Okay, so these are set up, by row, right? So, if you have 4 rows on a bed, then you can use the ones imprinted with 4, and you go to the gritter mark that says 4 on the Rebellion on here on the marker here. Okay, and that's just a general guideline. So if you use the 4 here and use the number 4 wire, then you're going to be pretty close to, right, going 4. See, that's a 4 row. Okay, see, so you just want it like pointing to the center in between each row. All right, so this can go a little wider, right? And if you did it with the gritter, it's going to line up perfectly, right? And I actually keep these set on the tool rack. Okay, so I'll just write 4 rows on it, keep it on the tool rack. Like this one's set for 6 rows, but you can have one and just switch it off, switch it back and forth between them. Okay, very simple setup. And now instead of going 1 row at a time, right, I can just go between the rows. And one thing that's helpful is I always point I aim the middle one, right? So I'm aiming it for right at the center of the lettuce heads. And that'll keep it nice and straight. You see, I'm not hurting any lettuce heads, but I'm cultivating 2 rows at once, right? Going and setting up a wheel hoe, that would be a lot of work. And getting in here and then trying to put it between these 2 beds, between just that distance, right? And you're just dragging it along. That's it. That's why it's so fast. You don't need to go in between everything. You just drag it along, right? And that's going to cultivate the row. I mean, it's simple as that. And if you didn't have drip, you can go this way if you wanted. I'm just going in one direction. So yeah, that's the Rebellion. Very simple tool. All right, so thanks for watching.